Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a quick one. We'll be doing a DIY spring twist. So this one I bought from Amazon, and this is the one I created. So let's just dive into it. Okay guys, in case you don't know, this particular spring twist I use for butterfly locks or distressed locks that they call it, or you can use it for passion twist as well, and they don't come cheap. So I decided to recreate my own just to cut costs. You know how we do it here. So right now I'm cutting my hair into three. I use expression braiding hair in color 2. I use one pack. The one pack was enough for the hair I want to use it for. So right now I'm cutting it into 3 like so, and I'm going to feather it out as well, to give it that stretched tips right now. So right now, and I'm feathering it out like so, and this is what our outcome looks like. Very smooth and thin at the tips here. So now let's bring out our secret ingredient: your straw and your bobby pins. Yeah, so you have to make sure the straw is really strong enough to hold the braiding hair down without it twisting away. So right now just cut out a little bit of hair, then you put it in your straw. Then you're going to use the bobby pin to secure it tightly. Then you just wrap it around the straw and you're good.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. But we can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid then you know there's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now.